Hello, and welcome to Grade 5. I am your teacher in English, Maricel Escorpus. Are you ready to learn? At this point, you have already determined what a sentence is, and you try to express yourself with a complete thought. The more organized your sentence is, the more successful you're likely to be in school and in your career in the future. After going through this module, you are expected to explain how coordinating conjunctions are used in sentences, create sentences using coordinating conjunctions, and write sentences showing cause-effect and problem-solution relationship of ideas. So, are you ready?
Sentences to show cause-effect and problem-solution relationships of ideas. Day 1. Please proceed to page 1 of your module for this activity. You're going to put a check mark on the line before the number if the sentence is a simple sentence, and mark it X if it's not. For this activity, please turn your module on page 2. Try to match the two independent clauses that show cause and effect and problem-solution relationship of idea. Letter A is for cause and effect relationship of idea, and letter B is for problem-solution relationship of ideas. Day 2. For this activity, please proceed to page 4 of your module. Read the short text below entitled The Sisters. And after that, answer the following questions. Who are the sisters? What is their problem? Were they able to solve their problem? How? Why do you think they wanted to pick the Indian mangoes? What do you think would happen to them if they climbed the tree without a ladder? If you were Julia and Jenica, would you also do the same? If your answer is yes or no, explain your answer. What is the moral of the story? Could you connect it to the current situation? What relationship of ideas is used in the text? One way of
A compound sentence consists of two independent clauses or two simple sentences that is joined by coordinating conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or so. We call them fanboys.
example, Julia and Jenica wanted to pick the mango fruits in their backyard, but they could not reach the fruits. The first independent clause is Julia and Jenica wanted to pick the mango fruits in their backyard. The second independent clause is they could not reach it. It is combined with a coordinating conjunction but. Second example, the branches of the tree were too high for them, and they were afraid to reach the top. The first independent clause is the branches of the tree were too high for them. The second independent clause is they were afraid to reach the top. It is combined or joined with a coordinating conjunction and. An independent clause is a word or group of words which contains subject and verb and expresses a complete thought. In short, an independent clause is a sentence.
Coordinating conjunctions are used to connect words, phrases, and clauses that make up a compound sentence. They are used to combine or connect ideas that are closely related.
These are the conjunction, its use, and some examples. For is used to communicate reason, cause, or purpose. Example, the girl ordered pancit palabok and barbecue for today is a Father's Day celebration. And is used to communicate similarity or addition. Example, my sister gave my mother a bouquet of red roses and a leather belt for my father. Nor is used to connect non-contrasting negative ideas. I repeat, non-contrasting negative ideas. The dress she wore was not a long gown, nor was it a cocktail dress. Meaning to say, it's not a long gown and it's also not a cocktail dress. But is used to communicate contrast. Example, we want to go swimming, but the sky is so dark. Or is used to communicate choices or options. Which beverages do you prefer? Black coffee or milk tea? Yet is used to communicate contrast or exception. Example, it wasn't a costume party, yet many came dressed as literary villains. So is used to communicate a result or effect. Example, many people lost their job, so the government aided assistance to them. Which conjunction in the chart is used for the following purposes? To show a result or effect. Which is used to show choices. Which is used to show contrast. Which is used to show addition or similarity. And which is used to show reason, cause, or purpose.
There are two types of clauses: independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause is a clause that has a complete thought. It has subject and predicate, and it can stand alone. It is also called simple sentence. Example, I have never been to Luneta. There is a thought in this sentence. The thought here is that the sentence or the speaker have never been to Luneta. On the other hand, dependent clause is a clause which do not have complete thought or idea. For example, for my birthday celebration. For my birthday celebration, there is no meaning for that clause, and it cannot stand alone. It needs more phrases or words for it to be a complete sentence. You get it?
Day 3. For this activity, please turn your module on page 7. Activity 1.1. Encircle the letter of the correct conjunction that connects the two independent clauses in each compound sentence. For this activity, please turn your module on page 9. Activity 1.2. Independent practice. Complete the sentence by connecting the two independent clauses to form a compound sentence that shows cause and effect and problem-solution relationship of ideas. Use the connect coordinating conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. So you're just going to add coordinating conjunctions, fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, to form a compound sentence. A is for cause and effect relationship, and B is for problem solution text. Day 4. For this activity, please turn your module on page 10. Complete each compound sentence by adding another independent clause. Use the coordinating conjunction given in the parentheses. Write your complete answer on the space provided. Let's try it with number 1. Alex loves to sing, yet he doesn't have the voice. For this activity, please turn your page on page 11. Complete each compound sentence by adding another independent clause. Use the cause and effect relationship of ideas. Write your answer on the space provided. For letter B, complete each compound sentence by adding a coordinating conjunction and another independent clause. Use the problem solution relationship of ideas. Day 5. For this activity, please turn your module on page 12. Combine the two independent clauses by using a correct coordinating conjunction to form a compound sentence. Use coordinating conjunctions fanboys for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. For letter B, write 5 compound sentences using the cause and effect relationship of ideas. Use the pictures as your guide. Write only one sentence for each picture. Your answer key is located on page 14 of your module. Thank you!